Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96 and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Now just click here, and if the developer options they are activated, you will see here the developer options section. Just click here once, and now just to hide the developer options you should click here once on the switcher, and now as can you see all of the options they are blocked, and one will go back here. You can see that the developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how to hide developer options on our Oppo A96. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.